Namaste guys. So today we'll be learning ER verbs. ER verbs. Let's start. Hmm. So first of all, let's revise the subjects. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. So je means I, tu means you, tu means you in the sense of informal. Il, he, elle, she, nous, we, vous, you. Here the vous is a formal manner. Formal. तमीज से बात करते हैं ना. Formal manner. All right. Vous is you. Il. See, even though this is plural, the conjugation will remain the same. For example, il. Why I'm mentioning this thing, because most of the students do this mistake in the very beginning. All right. Don't do this mistake. L. L. They. Both of these are plural. All right. And on is someone, people, we, it is a third person, so it will come in this category. Il, elle, on. Just for your information, not important in the very beginning, but yes, it is important. So let's start with the verb prendre. Prendre is a very basic verb which means to take. Now this is the conjugation for prendre, but now the thing is, take PREND and forget everything else. Remove RE and add S, nothing, ONS, EZ, NENT. All right, prendre. So what you have to do is, in the first three, you need to remember PREND, PREND, PREND. Okay. So to simplify this thing, just these are the endings. Learn the endings here. That's it. Learn these endings and your task is done. DS, DSD, ONS, EZ, NENT. That's it. Nothing else. DS, DSD. Alright. DS, DSD, ONS, EZ, NENT. Repeat with me. DS, DSD, ONS, EZ, NENT. ONS, EZ, NENT. Let's do it once more. DS, DSD, ONS, EZ, NENT. Now, same logic goes with descendre verb. Alright. DS, DSD, DONS, DEZ, DENT. Alright. See? Got it? Got it? I hope you understood. So basically focus on the endings. Focus on the endings. That's it, guys. DS, DSD, DONS, DEZ, DENT. Here in descendre verb, you have to remember this part. Take care of this part. Just learn these endings. Part again, because maybe here, if you'll observe carefully, DS, DSD, DONS, EZ, NENT. All right, but here the verb is descendre, again RE, but here the difference is of these two parts. Remember these two parts. DS, DSD, it will remain the same. ONS will remain the same. EZ will remain the same. ENT will remain the same. But the difference is of D, this line. So the very basic thing I always ask my students is to learn the endings. Learn the endings. Practice.